Don't tell me you still don't know how to do your makeup. Don't worry, I got good news for you. I'm currently doing a DIY makeup series for beginners. If you don't know how to do your makeup and you want to learn, then this video is for you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're seeing my face for the first time. My name is Florence. I'm a Chundi, creative director of Chundibeauty. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Welcome to my DIY makeup series. If you have been following from episode 1, you are already building your own makeup skills step by step. But if you haven't watched episode 1, 2 and 3 yet, please pause this video and go catch up, because we are building this glam step by step so you don't miss any important makeup steps. Alright, today we are tackling one of the most important features of your face, the brows. And in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to achieve a beautiful, defined, natural and flattering looking brows that elevate your entire makeup look. Welcome to episode 4. Grab your brows product and let's get started, shall we? Yeah. Alright loves, these are the products you need for your brows: a brow tamer, eye pencil, a brow spoolie, a setting powder, concealer brush and a concealer. First, brush your eyebrow hairs into place using a spoolie. This helps you see the natural shape of your brows and make them easier to work with. Next, apply your brow tamer to keep the hairs in place and give your brows a neat, polished look. Then apply a little setting powder over the brow area. This helps control oil and create a smooth base for your brow products. Now take a sharpened black brow pencil and lightly outline your brows, following your natural brow shape. Remember to use light strokes for a more natural finish. Emphasis on sharpened pencil, don't forget that. Make sure your pencil is sharpened. After outlining, fill in the brows with a sharpened brown pencil. Use small hair-like strokes to add definition and fullness without making the brows look too harsh. Once you are happy with the shape, use a concealer brush. Take a little concealer to clean up underneath the brow and shaping the edges like so. Then blend out the concealer using a brush. Now blend out the concealer using a brush until everything looks seamlessly and natural. If you have watched up to this point and gained value so far, please like this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Next, apply concealer on the upper part of the brows as well to further define the shape. Finally, apply a little compact powder over the areas you conceal. This helps control oil and create a smooth finish. And that's a simple beginner-friendly eyebrow tutorial for clean, defined brows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tutorials. See you in the next episode. Ngwano, bye!